Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix missing donation buttons in Please Donate. Alright, let's begin. Start by going to the Roblox website and clicking the Create button. If you're on mobile, tap More, then select Create. From the side menu, choose Creations, then select your experience. Usually it's the default one. Next, find the Monetization section and click Passes. Choose the Game Pass you're having trouble with. On the side, switch to the Sales page and enable Item for Sale. Set your price. This value appears on your donation button, but you'll receive 60% of the total amount. Turn off Enable Regional Pricing, then click Save Changes. Repeat this process for all your passes and clothing items. Next, go to Configure, open Settings, and set Privacy to Public. Save your changes. Finally, in Please Donate, unclaim your booth, reclaim it, and your donation button should now appear. If not, rejoin the game. So that's basically how you can fix missing donation buttons in Please Donate. That's it for this video. Thanks.